The Rain Stomper, written by Addie Boswell and illustrated by Eric Velasquez. On the first day of spring, Jasmine flipped out of bed. She twirled her baton. She swirled in her new red suit. Today was the day of her big parade. All the children on the block would join in. Dancers, drummers, cheerleaders, dogs. Jasmine could already hear the neighbors cheering and the tat-a-tat boom. Jasmine threw open her door. Wind whistled through her hair. Thunder rumbled the ground. The sun scuttled behind the clouds. The sky twisted into a thick black coil. Slap, clatter, clatter, slap. Rain poured down in buckets. Boom, walla, boom, boom. Thunder rattled the bricks in the walls. Clink, clink, whoosh. The wind plunged her family back into their beds. Even the weeds slunk back into the earth. Jasmine hated the rain. It ruined parades. It silenced the horns and the drums. It tripped up the dancers and the dogs. It soaked new red suits. Puddle muddler, Jasmine muttered. Tap, tippity, tap, tap. Cloud crasher, she complained. Clack, clickety, clack. Parade wrecker, she rumbled. Tap, rattle, rattle, tap. Boom, walla, boom, boom. Bang, walla, bang, bang. The rain roared. The rain crashed. Bam, walla, bam, bash. The rain bellowed. Boom, walla, boom. Walla, walla, boom. Jasmine stepped onto her stoop. She lifted her baton and she shook it. Slap, clatter, clatter, slap. She slapped against the sidewalk. Boom, walla, boom. Thunder rattled the windows. Bam, walla, bam, bash. Jasmine shook her fist. She stomped her feet. Clatter, clatter, slap. She kicked the rain down her steps. Splish, splash, whack. She slapped it down the sidewalk. She chased the rain into the street. I am Jasmine, the Rain Stomper, she yelled. Jasmine stomped and splashed and skipped and shouted until children peered from their doorways. Their feet tapped. Kerplop, plop, plop. Their hands clapped. Kerplunk, plunk, plunk. Splash some more, Rain Stomper, they shouted. Splash bigger, Rain Stomper, they yelled. Stomp bigger, Jasmine. Jasmine splashed more and higher and bigger. She spun, she shook, she even rat-a-tap-tapped. The sun peeked out and beamed. The puddles shimmied and the children cheered. More children poured out of their houses. They stomped and splashed and skipped and shouted. Then they drummed and whirled and flipped and twirled. Children flooded the street. Even the weeds came out. And so it was that Jasmine, the Rain Stomper, and her parade of puddle splashers out-stomped the rain. Slap, clatter, bam, bash, boom, walla, bang, crash.